One of the greatest challenges faced by students of anatomy is the vocabulary. However, it is useful to know that the major features of human gross anatomy have standard international terms. And these terms are collected in a book called Terminologia Anatomica. This vocabulary was established in 1998 by an international committee, an international group of anatomists called Federative Committee on Anatomical Terminology, and later approved by professional associations of anatomists in more than 50 countries. Similar vocabularies exist also for histology and embryology. It'd be very irrational not to adhere to this terminology. After all, one of the scopes of the anatomy learning is to master the basic and common way of describing human body structure. Hence, not using the standard international terms just makes the description incomprehensible and the study unproductive. You will notice that most of today's medical terms are formed from Greek and Latin roots. Then some words have Arabic origins. The general rule of the Terminologia Anatomica system is that there should be one term for each structure, and that, if possible, the term should have some informative and descriptive value. Hence, the international anatomical terminology, for example, no longer recognizes eponyms. An eponym is a name or noun formed after a person, typically who discovered or described a structure for the first time. According to Terminologia Anatomica, it is best to avoid using them, if a specific descriptive term can be used instead. The rationale and some examples of the use of the eponyms are given in the content of this lesson. In clinical medicine, however, eponyms are widely used. Hence, you will see them also in this course because of the familiarity and correlation with other resources and specialties that you will explore and study. In medicine, it is also extremely important to be precise. And this rule includes, of course, the use of terms. It may seem trivial if you say trapezius instead of trapezium, for example, but in doing so, you would be talking about a back muscle, trapezius, and not a carpal bone, trapezium. Another example, misspelling ilium, I-L-E-U-M, to ilium, I-L-I-U-M, so it's just one letter, but with this you change the name of the distal part of the small intestine to the name of the part of a hip bone. So be careful then, and please let me know immediately if you find any such error in the content of this course. Thank you.